Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to explore something called Nes CSS Framework. It's a framework with some style. So let's go to the website. So this is the website of Nes CSS. It is a Nes style CSS framework. The Nes style is the style of Nintendo game framework. You can adapt the game style in your website. These are the and we are going to do a live coding in this Nes CSS framework. It's a very good framework. You can do a best gaming style gaming styling in your website, and these are cool. So let's do some live coding. For installation, let's go to the readme.md. You can install it using npm. Npm is a node package manager, and npm is you can get by installing node.js, and node.js is the javascript runtime engine which has the Chrome v8 engine inbuilt. So do it. So let's do it, and for this let's open the command prompt, and just you need to type the npm install nes.css for global, and it will install the framework for you. And for the other thing, let's go to the desktop, and here I create a directory for this mkdir nes css testing. Now go to this nes css testing, and I forgot to keep the super user permission, so it did not receive it. So sudo npm install, it will give the administrator permission to install the Nes CSS, and it is added. So for this I just type npm install Nes CSS, or we can add it using yarn also. So it will install the Nes CSS in my repository. And let's go to code. VS Code I use for this, and let's do some coding stuff for this reason. Now it's opening, and as you can see, here is the node modules and package log JSON file. Let's create a index.html file and a script.js, where we import the Nes CSS file. For the import, we can let's go to the import, and this is the folder where I import it. Now after this, this is the HTML code which I paste to the index.html file, and I save it. Now we can use the Nes CSS framework in our website. Let's create a button for this. So for create a button, you have something called buttons. So you just have to let's I create a division, and here I button normal submit. It will creating your it will create a normal button, normal style button. I will use the it is a very good thing that you just need to do it. So this is the code by which you can create the buttons like this. So we just go to and paste it. It will create the all styled buttons here. Control Shift P. We will start the live server, and it is starting in the port 500. I told you that you can install the live server to and an extension that called browser. It will open you the some great thing is that you can use your files in use your index.html files in the browser, in the VS Code with a browser window. It is a great thing. And after that, like you can see that it is a game styled buttons. Let's do some another stuffs, like let's create a form where you can put your name. Minimize it so you can see it better. Now this is a field where you can enter your name. I make it to the center. I paste the here, and you can check that I put it. Now let's give it a button class. We take we shall create a we shall choose which type of button. We shall create this button success. Just copy it and paste it. So you get that you can easily create your very good components using it. So just now I add some JavaScript to save it, and for this let on click
প্রথমে এই বিষয়ে ভূমিকা নিতে হবে এবং বিষয়টিকে বিবেচনা করে চূড়ান্ত ছাড়পত্র দেবে, এমনটাই কিন্তু আমরা
we
খবর
shall
পাচ্ছি।
alert
এই
a
পরিস্থিতিতে
message
দাঁড়িয়ে
like
ইতিমধ্যেই যা খবর পাওয়া যাচ্ছে
alert
যে হাওড়ায় রেল চালানোর প্রস্তুতি ইতিমধ্যেই শুরু হয়েছে,
successful.
আমরা এমনটাই খবর। একটু হলেও আতঙ্ক রয়েছে, কোথাও বা খুশির আমেজ রয়েছে,
Let's
কারণ
enter a
দুটোই এই
message.
মুহূর্তে খুব প্রয়োজনীয়। সাধারণ মানুষ
Debo,
ভাবছেন যে রেল চললে হয়তো
if I
যদি রাজ্য অনুমতি দেয় সেক্ষেত্রে করোনার সংক্রমণ বাড়তে পারে, আবার
it's
যেহেতু
not working,
রাজ্যে
but
বাস পর্যাপ্ত পরিমাণে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না, যাতায়াতে অসুবিধে হচ্ছে, সে কারণে হয়তো কিছুটা সুবিধে হতে পারে। অর্থাৎ এই দোলাচলের মধ্যে দাঁড়িয়ে এই খবর আমরা পাচ্ছি, যেখানে রেল বোর্ডের চেয়ারম্যান জানিয়ে দিয়েছেন যে কোনো রাজ্য চাইলে রাজ্য সরকার চাইলে সেই রাজ্যে রেল চালাতে পারে।
let's
তবে
check
সেটা
out the
কিন্তু
code
অবশ্যই
about
আবেদন
the
করতে
on
হবে
click.
রেল মন্ত্রকে এবং
It
তার
will help
বিবেচনার
you
ভিত্তিতে
very much.
এই
On
বিষয়ে
click,
চূড়ান্ত সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়া হবে, এমনটাই
on click
খবর পাওয়া
code
যাচ্ছে। অভিরূপ, আবারও অনেক ধন্যবাদ আমাদের সঙ্গে থাকার
in
জন্য।
HTML, so you can easily create it. We can do it using DOM, but it will so that's it, but not further doing, just make it simple. So by this you can get many components from this Nes CSS. If you are going to do some gaming style, or you like, if you like these gaming styles, you can easily use it. And I will build a website using this Nes CSS framework. I think it's a very good thing that this framework is very good. So that's all for today, and I give the link in the description. So that's all, thank you very much. Please like, comment and share. So thank you.